This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit mitchell1.com.
Even with advanced technology like direct fuel injection, variable valve timing, and stop-start technology, we are still dealing with generic OBDII codes like P0420 for catalyst efficiency. You could have a 1996 vehicle and a 2020 vehicle, and they still have the possibility of setting a P0420 code. You have different criteria for the catalyst efficiency on different vehicles. It could be a certain number of trip cycles, it could be a certain level of contaminants, it could be a lot of different things. But the solution may be completely different also. On one vehicle, it may be replace the catalyst. On another vehicle, well, it's a reflashing. On another vehicle, it could be adjusting the fuel pressure or a brand new fuel pump. This is where service information with multiple sources comes into play. Not just sourced from one source, but from multiple sources. The service information may have the basic description of the code, but you could take that one step further. The OEM test information, that's going to be part of the service information. Another key thing that you need is service information generated by the code and also other users of that service information. You could throw a million catalysts at that vehicle, but it will not solve that issue with P0420 and the efficiency of the catalyst. The only way it's going to be solved, well, it's with a brand new calibration. The only way you're going to know this is either by looking through some of the TSBs or looking at the other solutions that other technicians have found for that vehicle that resolves the issue. So you have multiple sources, multiple ways to get that information, and this way you can come to a solution for that vehicle a lot faster. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.